This is Forex No Deposit Nation, and I'm glad you found this video. And showing on the screen is one of the withdrawal proof that comes with the $100 no deposit account that I made a video about some months ago, and there are various withdrawal proofs from this account. That's to show you that you'll be getting this account absolutely for free. And I also was able to withdraw from this account, as you could see on the screen, and all the details you need to get this account will be step by step explained in this video. So what you have to do is watch this video closely so that you don't miss out on the important details that comes with this account. And I want you to know that this account is available to new users only. That's to show you that if you previously get this account, you won't be able to get this account the second time. It's strictly available to new users only. As I've told you, all the details you need to get this account would be properly explained in this video so that you don't miss out on the important aspect of getting this account. All will be explained, and you don't need a KYC verification to get this account, and including the terms and conditions of this account. I'll be explaining the terms and conditions that comes with this $100 account also, and the link will be in the description of this video, and it will also be pinned in the comment section. So you can either use the link in the description of this video or the link in the pinned comment, and you'll be directed to this my Telegram channel. It is in this Telegram channel that you'll be finding the link to this website where you'll be able to have access to this $100 no deposit crypto and forex account, right? And you'll be finding various other accounts for you to start trading the free funded account, including no deposit account like this in this my Telegram channel. As you could see various accounts showing on the screen. That's to show you that apart from this account, you'll be finding various other accounts too. And if you know you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to other traders so that you can start trading with no deposit account like this, including free funded account, right? So now let's get started to the process of getting this $100 account, right? So you'll be filling in your email address, including a strong password. You don't need a long verification process to sign up on this account. It's as straightforward as possible, and as I've told you, you don't need a KYC verification to also get this account, right? So once you input your email on the screen, you set your password, your login password. You'll be clicking on register on the screen, and once you click on the registration section, you just have to wait for a couple of seconds, and you'll be receiving something like this on the screen. You can see email verification code. So now you'd have to head straight to your email address just to copy the code sent to your email address so that we could input the code in the box showing on the screen, and so we could confirm this registration details. That you need to verify your email address. So now you'd have to head straight to your email, copy the code sent to your email address, and in case you didn't receive this code in the first try, so all you just have to do is click on didn't receive the verification code, and another code will be sent to you rather, right? So once you click on it the second time, you'll be receiving another code. That is if you clicked on it the first time and you didn't receive the first code, so you'll be receiving another code just to verify your account. And once you've done that, you'll be clicking on confirm, and you'll be signed in into this account, right? As I've told you, I'll be explaining all you need to get this $100 account. All will be explained in this video. So this is the dashboard of this account, and you could see all details about this dashboard. As I've told you, the terms and conditions that comes with this account will be explained in this video, and I'll be taking you through the process on how you'll be getting this account, and you could see more details about the interface of this account. We'll be trading it, how you'll be able to trade this account. All details will be explained. So once you scroll back to the main interface of this account, so once you scroll back to the top on the screen, so you could see the menu button showing on the right hand side on the screen. You'll be clicking on this menu button showing on the right hand side on the screen, the cycled section on the screen. So once you click on the menu button showing on this right hand side on the screen, you'll be brought to this showing interface rather. So once you are brought to this showing interface, you'll be seeing the more section on the screen. You could see the deposit section, you could see the asset, and you could see the 100M bonus pool. So what we have business with is the 100M bonus pool. So once you click on this 100M bonus pool cycled on the screen indicated by this arrow, so once you click on it, you'll be brought to this section, and you just have to wait for a couple of seconds for this section also to load out, right? And when this section keeps on loading, in case it's finished loading, as you could see on the screen, you could see the price pool is live. You could see total price pool of USDT. You could see all the details on the screen, and you could see unlocked USDT of 100, and you could see the claim section, which is still 0, and you could see the reward history. So now you just scroll a little bit on the screen until we get to the right place where we'll be getting this account, right? As I've told you, you don't need the KYC verification to get this account. All you have to do is pay close attention to this video so you don't miss this step, right? So you could see the welcome bonus could see the futures deposit. So under this welcome bonus, you could see join the so event. So what you have to do is click on this claim circled on this box. You'll be clicking on the claim section, right, so that we could get this account. Is as straightforward as possible. And as I've told you, I'll be taking you through the step on how you'll be trading with this account and where you'll be trading with this account. You could see reward issued successfully. Now you'll be heading back to the interface of this account, and you could see these tips showing on the screen. You could just decline this tip so that we could be moved to the next section. I want to click on this menu showing on the right hand side on the screen where we initially clicked on. You'll be clicking on this menu button so that we could head back to where we were heading to. So once you click on that menu button, you'd also be receiving an email stating that you've claimed this $100 account, right? You need to receive an email. If you didn't receive an email that you've gotten this account, all you have to do is head back to this website just to refresh this website. And once you see that the claim process is still showing on claim, you'd have to click on claim one more time. As you could see, your $100 USDT futures bonus pro is now available. So you could see there user so and so we've received so $100 USDT. So now, as I've told you, you'll be heading back to this website, right, so that we could do the next necessary things. And once you head back to this section, you could see the asset section. So once you click on this asset section, you won't be finding the $100 under this asset section. That's why I told you that you need to watch this video closely so that you don't miss out on this important aspect of getting this account. So you just head back to this same menu button, right? You'll be clicking on this menu button one more time on the right hand side on the screen. And once you get to this menu button, rather, you'll be scrolling until you get to the download app section. This cycled section on the screen. We'll be moving to this download app showing on my screen. So once you're in this download app, you could see download app, trade anytime, anywhere. And these are the various alternatives which you could download the app. You could see the App Store, you could see the Test Flight, you could see the Google Play, and you could see the Android APK. These are the 4 alternatives which you could use to download this app, right? As I've told you, this is what you'll be doing. So you could either choose the App Store or the Play Store so that we could install this app, as you could see on the screen. So I'll be installing it through the Play Store, right? So once you get to these details, you click on the install showing on the screen. So once you click on this install, all you have to do is wait for a couple of seconds just for it to finish installing. Is as fast as possible. It won't be taking much of your time, and immediately you've done this, once you've installed it, as you could see on the screen, you'll be clicking on the open section. You'll be opening this app showing on my screen, and all you just have to do is click on the agree below. So once you go to this section, we'll be logging into this app. You are not just registering a new account. We've already registered an account through the website, so it is through this app that will be getting this $100 account, right? You could see so now we have to log in with our email. The email you use to register through the website, that is the same email that you're going to be using to log in into this app. So you'll be inputting your email on the screen, including the same password you use while signing up. So once you input these 2 details respectively, you'll be requesting for a new verification code to your email address so that you could verify your account and you'll be signed in into this app. As you could see, once you input your email, your password, as you could see security verification on the screen. Now you'd have to head back to your email account, right? So once you head straight to your email address, you copy the code sent to this your email account, as you could see on my screen. Once you copy this code, you head back to this website to log in into this app. I'll be showing you the next thing and where you'll be finding this account, and you could see security verification chain on the screen. And once you click on the confirm, you could see more details on the screen. So you could just decline all the details, just remove them. And once you sign in into this app, you'll be seeing the $100 showing on my screen. As you could see, it's as straightforward as possible. You don't need the KYC verification to actually get this account, and I'll be showing you what to do before you be trading with this account, because you'll be needing a margin before you'll be able to open trades with this $100 account. And how to go about this margin process, I'll be explaining it in this video. And as you could see on the screen, you could see the market section, you could see the trade, and you could see the future section. We'll be coming back to this aspect. So now you'll be clicking on the asset section showing on the right hand side on the screen, and under this asset section you could see the overview, you could see the spot, the margins, and the futures showing above the screen. So under this spot account, so you'll be needing as little as 0.05 just to fund your spot account, and you could either use $1 at most just for you to have a margin running on this account you need margin so you could trade with this $100 account. For most crypto accounts, you need margin to keep your trades running, right? So as you could see under this spot section, you could see the deposit showing on the screen. So you could use different method to deposit through this means, right? As I've told you, you need as little as 0.05. You could also give it a try and see how it is. Just to keep trade running, you need as little as about 0.05 to $1 at most. So to keep every trade running, you need margin. So once you've done that, you fund your account with as little as probably 0.05 to $1. You'll be coming to this margin section. Now I'll be showing you how to move what you get from this spot account to this margin section. So once you come to this margin section, you could see the assets showing on the screen depending on the various ones which you fund into your account, but the most popular one is the USDT, right? So once you get to the USDT section, you'll be clicking on that USDT and you could see borrow on the screen, you could see repay, and you could see the transfer. So what we have business with is the transfer section. So you'll be clicking on this transfer showing on the right hand side of the screen, as you could see. So once you click on this transfer section, I'll be showing you how to move your margin from your spot account into this margin account, right? I'll be showing you how to move it, as you could see on the screen. So once you click on it, you could see from spot account to cross margin, right? So you could see the USDT showing on the screen, and if it's that you are using a different currency or different means of sending your 0.05 or $1, you could either change it through this asset section. As I've told you, the amount you could select 0.05 at most $1, depending on the amount of margin you want to keep your trades running and depending on the number of trades you wish to be opening on this account, right? So once you've done that, as you could see on the screen, as I've told you, there are various means of which you could either use your asset also to fund this your spot account so that you could have margin under this transfer section. You'll be clicking on the confirm section, and once you click on confirm section, you'll be seeing enough margin just to keep each trade running, right? So for every trade that will be kept running, you need margin in this account. So once you click on confirm and you go back to the margin section, you'll be seeing enough margin just to keep every trade running. For every trade you need to open, you need margin on these types of account, right? So once you head back and you've done the necessary details, as I've told you, at most you could either use the dollar if you wish to, and you already have margin in your account, right? And once you have margin in your account, your spot balance will be moved to the margin section just to keep each trade running. So you could either come back to the futures section or to the trade section, and you could either open any position whatsoever as long as you have enough margin just to keep your trade running, right? So for every trade that you need to keep running, you need margin into this account, and I've taken you through the process on how you'll be able to put your margin into work, right? And for the terms and conditions that comes with this $100 crypto and Forex No Deposit account, I want you to pay attention to this aspect, right? So for the terms and conditions, you could see the bonus is only for new users, and bonus must be claimed in the bonus pro section. We've already done that. We've claimed it in the pro section, and the bonus is only good for futures trading. You guys already know that. And you could see bonus funds cannot be withdrawn from the account, but corresponding profit are withdrawable. That's to show you that the $100 itself is not withdrawable, but the profit earned from this $100 account can be withdrawn from this account, right? And you could see there is no profit limit, and you could withdraw the earnings when you want. That is to show you that there is no particular limit barrier to the amount that you could make from this $100 account, right? That's to show you that, and whatever amount that is made, as in the profit made from this account, is withdrawable all. And you could see bonus funds have a lifespan, so be sure to use them before the lifespan expires. That's to simply show you that you need to claim this account as fast as possible before this account run out of claim and before it expires, because currently it's still available for claim, and before this account run out of claim, stay to claim this account so that you just follow this instruction and you could start trading with this account as straightforward as possible, as fast as possible. This is how you need to note about getting this $100 account. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to other traders so that you all don't miss out on future no deposit account like this, including free funded accounts. I hope you guys have a wonderful trading day.